Hi, this is Charlie giving you Friday's live trading. I hope you're very well. It is 10 to 9. I was out all day yesterday and got friends over, and so not been getting involved in any of these markets early this morning, but I'm obviously looking at it right now, and the market is moving around obviously quite a lot. But there are opportunities, obviously, but there are opportunities, but you have to. Use wide stops on days like this, or just don't even bother trading because the market is moving. It's in the time that I'm just talking here. The euro's just moved up, what, 10 pips, 15 pips, whatever it's done, just in the time that I'm just talking. So these are big moves that we're seeing here. But I'm seeing a shorting opportunity on the euro as it's coming up. So, you can't get away with tiny stops. So let's go in and we'll see if we get a shorting opportunity. So I've gone one unit in there, and I'm going to be spreading my units on this. So I've just gone short at 111.67. I just got there. Look at that; it's all of a sudden up at 80. So it's these are big moves, but I'm seeing some potential to short. This is a 5-minute chart, but let's go out to an hourly chart. This is just a retracement currently, and so I'm looking to take some points on the downside. I will be looking to put some more units in, and so I am currently short, and we will see where this goes to shortly. So I'll go through a bit more of the analysis in a second. Okay, so just back, and nice little reaction down here. So I'm going to close this position, 250 odd quid. That's the nice thing with volatility. You can be in and out. Didn't know if I was going to get more in. Just 250 something dollars there, I think it was. Let's have a look just off screen. Yeah, about $240 are closed out there. But it's what did I just do there? 25 pips or whatever it was, and I mean, this could come down a lot more yet, but the volatility is such that I'm quite happy just picking off some levels. So nice little level there. We basically come up to the 30-minute 21 moving average and some other resistance on the 4-hour chart, and so it had a nice run up, overshot some levels, and when we overshoot levels, then it's usually there or thereabouts. So I didn't know exactly. Now, obviously, I've taken the profits and just said, right, that'll do for now. We'll come back to this later, but quick profit there. All that just took a few minutes. I was just on the phone and I just had to come off the phone just to come back and take that profit. But I'll continue to trade through here this morning. I do have friends over, so we're going to be heading out this morning, but hopefully there'll be some more trades at various times during the day. Okay, just back, and looks like a short's developing here on the pound now. Oops, that's a daily. I'm on an hourly chart here. Yeah, we've got a short on, so I'm going to put a trade on the pound. We had that trade on the euro, which made about 25 pips, but let's put one on the pound. I'm going to be heading out, so but I'm going to put this on anyway. Look at the spreads all of a sudden playing around. But okay, the spread's just so wide on it, so you can't be precise when you're doing this type of trading. But what I may have to do is putting this on. I'm going to be heading out shortly, so I've just shorted that at 56. Let's bring up the deal ticket if I can find it. There it is. So I've shorted it at 56 there. But again, it could go up higher yet, so we'll see. But I see the potential for a bit of a pullback on the pound, so we'll see how that one's going to go. So shorted it at 56. There we go. And we're now down at 52. So we'll see if we can make some points. If it comes back quickly, then we're at 48 now. But if it comes down fairly sharp quickly, then it could be that I take some pips off this one again quite quickly before I even go. But for now, we can see it's moving around a bit. I'll just press pause. Okay, so we're down at 44 at the moment, 42. So we've got a little bit more. It could come off a reasonable amount actually, but that 35, that'll do. 34. This is the thing. Look how quickly I've just scalped that for 20 pips. So it's just another. Don't know how much that was. £155 I've just banked on that. So now up for the day. 200 and what did I make on the first trade? £173 on the euro and £155 on the on cable there. So up, what's that? Nearly £300 just on two tiny little scalps. Just good timing, really. As far as the timing of these trades are concerned, don't get me wrong. I think this pound could come off more, but I'm not going to be around, and so just as it's come off, oh, fine. I would have left it, but as it's come off, and you've got another 20 pips or whatever it was there. why not just take it and just take little bits like this on days like this. So this is the nice thing with the volatility. This is where really an experienced trader can come into their own. Like I've just done these 2 very quick trades and just got the timing just right. Why is that timing there? We've overstretched again. The pound has got overstretched on the hourly chart. It's coming to my resistance, both on the hourly, both on the 30-minute chart. It's hit the 30-minute 21, and so which is sharply facing down. So again, it was about right for and ripe, and also the 4-hour chart. It's into resistance on the 4-hour charts as well. So the bands on the 4-hour charts, actually bring that up. It's hit those outer bands, and actually, oh, okay, the 4-hour chart on using telecharts here isn't the same as my e-signal charts, which I'm looking at off screen, obviously. So they're a little bit different there, actually. But anyway, it's into resistance. It's basically on the e-signal charts, which I'm looking at off screen. It's just hitting the outer bands here, and so that was right for a pullback. So I've had those few points out of it. I think there's going to be loads of points available today. But anyway, I'll come back to this afternoon. Okay, just back, and it's now what, 25 to 1, so we ended up going out. So we were at the Goodwood, I don't know what I said on the video earlier on, because obviously it was early today, but we were at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, myself and a few friends, yesterday, so, and we had full hospitality, so we'd partied into at least 8 o'clock yesterday evening, maybe 9 o'clock. Anyway, then came home. So anyway, let's do a recap. I did trades earlier on, didn't I? I did a euro trade and then the pound trade. The last pound trade, I think I shorted it up here somewhere, wasn't it? Let's have a look at the account. Hold on. I shorted it at 139.56. Wow. So it was great, great timing. 139.56. So it was right up here. And but as we can see, I mean, I just scalped it and just took. It was, I say scalped. It's ridiculous. It was 25 pips. Something like that, wasn't it? Yeah, about 25 pips. Yes, 22 pips. I can see there. I'll bring up the trades in a minute. And but obviously it's come down like 200 pips since then. That's just how big these moves are. And this is only a 5-minute chart, by the way. So just to put it into perspective of the volatility that we've got. But like I said, you know, if I'd have been around, then I might have traded it differently. And but I just wanted to get some pips done today, and it was quite fortunate like that. So the main thing was, like I was talking about earlier today, was that the trend was down, we've done a retracement, we'd hit a load of resistance, so I sell it. The thing is that I haven't done is I haven't held on to it because I wanted to go out and all of that today, this morning. So so that's about it. So that was the case on the pound, and it was a similar trade, if you remember, a similar case on the euro whenever it was I shorted that this morning as well. So anyway, those were the two. Let me just take a quick screenshot of the account with the trades there to do the review. So the trades. So the euro trade from this morning, shorted it at 111.67, came out at 43, and then the same with the pound trade, shorted it at 139.56, came out 139.34, which you saw earlier on anyway. So the main thing, like I said, was trend was down, get a retracement, sell it. The biggest thing is obviously I didn't bother holding on to these trades. I just effectively, it feels like a scalp for like 20 odd pips. Anyway, I'm going to do some other reviews early part of next week on Monday's video, some other analysis of this whole what's going on, and some bits on trading style as well. So I shall leave you with it today. Have a great weekend.